So I'll be honest with you on this question. I read it two or three times to make sure I wasn't missing anything because it seemed too easy. But it is actually as easy as it seems. So if you don't think it's easy, that's fine. I'm not trying to make you feel bad. Sorry. I'll show you how easy it is. So this says Margot surveys 150 high school juniors and seniors about their favorite types of dipping sauce. She records the results in the table shown. So you've got juniors and seniors. So 19 juniors chose barbecue sauce, 7 seniors chose barbecue sauce, and then they have the same results for these other different sauces here. The question is how many more high school juniors and seniors, so they're grouping them together, how many more of them chose honey mustard sauce than sweet and sour sauce? So first, let's look and see how many juniors and seniors chose honey mustard sauce. So we're simply going to add those together. So the honey mustard, I've got 26 juniors and 22 seniors. So together, that adds up to 48. All right. And then we're comparing that with sweet and sour. Add those together, and you get 23. And it says how many more chose the honey mustard than the sweet and sour. So all we need to do is subtract these. So we're just taking the 48 minus the 23 to get 25. And that's your answer. So pretty simple. All right. So keep up the good work and you will master the math.